Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use find and replace function in LibreOffice Calc. So for example, we have here two columns, name and project name. There are projects assigned to one person here. So for example, Matthew has left the job and we would like to replace his project with another person. So if we want to do it, we need to select area where we want to search. For example, I select this table and now I go to edit and I select this one option, find and replace. So I click on it. And on find field, I need to type Matthew. And for example, I would like to replace it with Martha. So I type here Martha. And first, I click find all to check my results. How you see, Matthew has been found 2 times, here and here. So now I close the window. And if I would like to replace these 2 cells, I need to click replace all button. And after that, it will be replaced with Martha content. So now I click close button and I close this window. And how you see, our process has been successfully finished. So in this way you can easily find and replace words and values in LibreOffice Calc. If I helped you, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.